Now we'll look over the measurement tools. If we go to this empty lot here, we can open up our measurement tools and we can see we have a number of options. We have a linear tool, and for all of our tools, you press the button and then you can left click into the scene indicated by the red dot, and you can place your points by pressing your left mouse button. As you can see, I'm drawing some sort of zigzag, and we can press the right mouse button to complete the tool. It gives us our lengths of each section and our total length. We can select the total and delete it from the scene. The next is the same. We have our height tool, so we press our tool button, we place it into the scene where we'd like to begin, and then we have our point where we'd like to trace the height to. So for instance, we will measure this street light, and we can see that there is a 7.7 meter line indicating where that measurement is from. And we can press the total and delete. The same for our area tool. We can press our area, place our points into the scene, and right click to finish. And we can see that we have our total in the middle and our line lengths on the outside. And as usual, we can select our total and delete. We have our radius tool, left click to place. We can drag out our object, and then we can left click to end. And we can delete that as well. We have our gradient tool. So we will pretend that we are measuring the gradient from the top of this building here to this street level. So if we press our gradient tool and press left click to begin placing and left click to end place, we have our 1 in X grade and our percentage grade, and we can see the run over rise here. And we can select the total and delete. Next we have our sightline tool. So if we'd like to place particular points, we can place our first point here, and we can see what is and isn't visible from our placed points. And if we zoom all the way out, we can see what is and what isn't visible, and we can see where that point of intersection is occurring. And like usual, we can select the tool and delete. And finally, we have our viewshed tool. So we can select our viewshed, place it on this window, and we can see the view angle from that window projected into the scene. And as usual, we can select that tool and delete. And that is all. Thank you.